Here in Milton Keynes, the home of JUXT, and what we're here for, John?
We're here to talk about our XT24 Fintech Conference.
Right, this is a series of conferences that we have once every 4 years.
Every leap year.
24, so
Yep.
we better have a conference.
We better have a conference.
What's the theme?
The theme this time is financial services.
Right. Why did we pick that?
Well, we've got lots of projects in the fintech space, and the challenges are, I think it's fair to say, immense.
Yes.
You have to deal with very complicated data domains. You have to deal with aspects like compliance, audits, being able to go back and answer questions about the past. But also you have to do it, don't you, at scale.
Yeah. Fintech is the perfect storm of complexity, of large amounts of data, but also accuracy and quality and not making mistakes. I mean, that's a really hard nut to crack. So who we've got as our speaker? We've got some great speakers, haven't we?
Yeah, we've got Francine Bennett who's going to kick us off. She's going to give a talk on AI. She's from the Ada Lovelace Institute.
Yeah. And Francine was telling me she was here in Milton Keynes before at the big AI risk summit with Rishi Sunak and Elon Musk and President Biden. So she was telling me about that and kind of the societal impacts of AI in the workplace, particularly in the fintech workplace. It's going to hit us very, very hard. So I think it's good in 2024 to frame kind of the conference around these kind of very, very important trends in the industry.
We got these important aspects of fintech, but this is the next dimension, isn't it?
Yeah.
Like the dimension of intelligence. How do you provide that? And we need to scale up and scale up pretty quickly.
It's great. And then straight after Francine, we've got Alan Rona. Now, Alan is kind of we've known Alan for years because of the Circle CI thing that he built. But
that's right.
He's founded a bank, or co-founded a bank, Griffin Bank.
Yeah, Griffin Bank is a new challenger bank in the UK. It's just been licensed, so it's a huge success story. Congratulations to them.
Wow.
They're going to talk a bit about their technical journey, which is going to be great. Yeah,
a talk called Breaking the Bank, which is I'm looking forward to. And then we've got Kim Johansson, Tales from the Buy Side.
Yeah, we do lots of work on the sell side. We do lots of work for general financial services, but on the buy side in particular, there's a whole new set of concerns, like the fiduciary concerns. How do you make sure that your buy transactions are fair across your clients? How do you provide that transparency and accuracy?
Yeah.
So it's going to be great to listen to Kim just talk about his tales, what he's seen go well and what he's seen go wrong. It's going to be great to have that talk.
Oh yeah, no, he really knows his subject matter.
Yeah.
And then we've got a JUXT client, then Artis. Now Artis is Seb and Manny are talking about their collaborative data platform and price discovery. We're really excited about that project. Yeah.
They've built just a kick-ass high-performance commodities trading platform. It's fantastic. Yeah. So we'll learn about that.
Yeah. So we're here at the venue. This is Unity Place.
Yeah, this is a brand new building, isn't it? Yeah. It's the HQ of Santander. It really opened last year, didn't it?
Yeah. No, it's wonderful. Are you feeling the unity?
I am. I do have some unity. I think it's a good place to get unified about the the general network that is built up around this place, our clients and friends of JUXT, but also to understand what the challenges are. Yeah,
so ask me about my talk after lunch, John.
Okay, what shall I talk about after lunch, Matt?
Well, I'm glad you asked, John, because this is a talk that Jeremy and I are going to give about XTDB version 2 and the financial use cases that we're going to put it to. And it's really, really amazing, stunning what the team have built. And we're really excited, excited to see these kind of financial use cases and what you can really do with this new technology that you've not been able to do in any other database technology so far. It's just really exciting. And then after that we have Ollie Hine.
Yes, he wants to talk about JSON, which you probably need to do.
Yeah. I love Ollie's talks. They're funny.
Yeah. And JSON is not just this simple data format. There's JSON schema. It is the lingua franca.
Yeah.
So how do you build a complicated systems ecosystem on top of it?
Yeah.
What are the pitfalls? What are the challenges? And he really knows that stuff. So it's going to be a very useful talk.
Fireside chat. We've got a few really good guests. We've got a great moderator. We have people like Vlad from Revolut.
We both used to work with at one point, but he's gone off and he's co-founded this bank called Revolut.
Yeah, done quite well.
It's amazing. So he's interested in building like a distributed services architecture, the right way of doing that. So I think he's going to bring a lot to the party.
Yeah. And then I think at the end we've got Zohar, haven't we, talking about building a risk system. Tell me about that.
Yeah, he puts it how to build a risk system in not such a clever way, but I think it's very clever to understand how you get the balance right between dealing with a complex data domain and all of the challenges, but then doing it in a simple way, not making too many assumptions, getting the contracts right. And his philosophy has really helped to build out a global risk system in a very successful way.
Yeah. So that's the talks. We've got networking break. We've got the Sky Bar at the end at 4 o'clock for some drinks. We've got great food. It's going to be a really nice day. Yeah,
there'll be some coffees and then some cocktails. So come along. XT24 Unity Place. As you can see, it's a 2-minute walk from the station, half an hour from Euston. It's going to be great.
See you on May the 9th.